welcome to my channel. So it's a day 3. We are just doing kayak. We started this at 3 in the morning.
ये पूरा कांटा है उसका। अपने मोबाइल के टॉर्च जला के साइड में मारिए, दिखाई देगा आपको।
तो ये जो आप ये जो फाइव लोग वगैरह रहते हैं उस टाइम में इनकी पोजीशन चेंज होती है कुछ पानी से जो होते हैं ये जो बोलते हैं जो मोती जिसमें होता है वो कोरल में होता है सेल में
नहीं सर, उसका ना शेल अलग टाइप का रहेगा।
कोरल बीच में होता है कैसे होता है
वो मतलब कोरल रीफ में ही उगता है।
अच्छा अच्छा
लेकिन उसको देखने के लिए उसका अलग क्लैम शेल बोलते हैं।
तो ग्रीन टाइप का सा है देखा था मैंने
वो मैं तो थोड़ा उजाला होने के बाद दिखाऊंगा किससे बनते हैं।
लोग खेती करते हैं ना इसकी पर्ल की।
नहीं, यहाँ पे तो कोई करता नहीं है।
And right now we are waiting for the sunrise, as you can see. And after the sunrise we are going for the mangroves, and then the kayak will be over.
Bioluminescence.
So we saw the bioluminescence, but we couldn't capture
via
because the phone cameras couldn't capture the bioluminescence, so we couldn't do that. It wasn't possible, but the experience was amazing, and we just saw the whole LA of stars, right?
Yes. So right now we are just enjoying our kayaking, and it's a wonderful experience.
I was hoping that I could capture the bioluminescence, but I couldn't, unfortunately.
ये लोग से टक्कर हो जाएगी, जल्दी ले एकदम स्ट्रेट जाके सीधा उनको टकरा देते हैं अपन। चल वाकड़ा क्यों जा रहे हैं?
पता नहीं, आई गेस वो पानी के मेरे को आ गया रे, मैं इधर रह सकती हूँ। फिशिंग करते करते ये सारी चीज़ें मैं कर सकती हूँ, तो फील ही आ रही है। ओशन डीप डाइव ये वो मज़ा आ रहा है। मेरे को ये साइड फेस करके रुकना है।
हाँ तो वो साइड घुमा।
ले उनको भी ना, प्यारा लग रहा है ना सनराइज।
चारों तरफ पानी है और हम आ गए हैं आसमान की गहराइयों में। हाँ, समंदर की गहराइयों में। वहाँ उस साइड कोरल है और उस साइड जंगल है। रिवर्स ले टकराएगी।
क्यों रिवर्स के ऊपर इतना जगह है?
बस ये एडी लिखा हुआ आ रहा है नाम पीछे।
And right now we are leaving for scuba diving.
Half an hour journey.
Half an hour journey. We'll have our breakfast right now and then we'll leave. So let's meet you guys at scuba diving. So we now leaving for scuba diving, and here our outfit, not outfit, but ये clothes है. So we'll just dive in.
We are ready guys. Let's meet after scuba diving. So we are now exploring the streets of Andaman. We are at Govind Nagar beach near our resort. So we are chilling here.
Just enjoying the view, and
We wanted to swim over here, but unfortunately again it's low tide. You can see the water level. It's a low tide, unfortunately. We have planned that we will swim tomorrow morning.
Hopefully we can swim tomorrow. Just
Let's hope for the best.
hoping for the luck as usual. Because even yesterday when we went to Radhanagar beach, we couldn't got the sunset experience because of the cloud. And today again, because of low tide, we couldn't swim. So it's our bad luck, guys. Nothing much.
We have enjoyed a lot.
And scuba diving,
Best.
best. In the start you will be panicking, but when you get the grip of how to get the oxygen in the water down there,
Then your favorite sign will be.
favorite sign would be this. If you know, you know.
Those who have experienced the scuba diving, their favorite sign will be this.
Yes, this.
This. And the worst sign is this.
Yes.
This is the worst sign. Just
Okay,
there
for
are
the
many signs, but we will tell only two signs. This is the best sign and this is the worst sign.
So for the context, ये जो हम जो बात कर रहे हैं वो ऐसा है क्योंकि स्कूबा डाइविंग के पहले साइन असाइन करते हैं. लाइक दे जस्ट गिव सम साइन इफ यू like panic or have some danger inside there, like some oxygen issue, then we used to do this sign.
We are in water, and if you want to go up, then we should do this sign. And if you want to go more deep, then we should do this.
And if you are comfortable
If
with
you are
that.
comfortable, then only you do this. They will take us more deeper.
So these are some sign of scuba diving.
Scuba diving today,
Hmm.
it was a wonderful experience. So yesterday was hectic, so today we kept our day
A little chill because we
Little chill.
wanted to chill.
Yeah.
Because since 2 days we
Yeah.
are just going from here and there, so
Yeah.
we just wanted
So
to chill and
today-
experience the beach side
Right.
view, just like right now we are doing. And it's so peaceful. You can even hear the breeze. Like it's so soothing.
So tomorrow morning we are going to check out from here. We
will be leaving from here.
from here. In the evening we will take a ferry from here, and we will
Reach to Port Blair.
Port.
Our flight is
we are flying day after tomorrow morning.
on 23rd.
From-
Okay, how was your surprise this 3 days?
Yeah, it was the best experience I have ever had, and I want to tell her thank you so much for this lovely experience, and I love you.
Thank you. I love you too. It's the end of our trip, and now we are heading towards Port Blair.
We will reach by 6. At Port Blair. We will rest. Today is our rest day. From last four nights we have not slept properly. So we are just waiting for a ferry to come. Then we will catch the ferry and we will reach Port Blair. Guys, we thought that while taking a ferry we have to reach 1 hour before prior to check in. But the same thing we thought today, कि we have to come 1 hour before to check in. But it's nothing like that here. It's a free check-in from here. So now we have reached. Our ferry time is 4, but it's 3 now. But now they are saying we have to wait another 45 minutes for ferry to come. Then we will board inside. So there is nothing here, no? Nothing here to do much. So we have to just wait.
Be here at
We are feeling bad कि we should have waited more
more
1 hour
and at our resort, because we could spend
spend a little
1
more
hour
time
at least.
near our beautiful beach.
But unfortunately, so next time if you are planning, so don't come like before 1 hour. It's not mandatory,
We are feeling very sad for
because
leaving.
after 4 days you can't go back to pavilion and like having such a fun experience, and being on the beach was the best.
Let me tell you guys, before visiting foreign countries, you must visit Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman is a must visit place. It's a nature's beauty, it's India's beauty, it's India's pride. Please visit Andaman.
Hello guys, guys, good morning. So
We are at Port Blair Airport, so we are leaving for Mumbai. So we are feeling
Feeling
very,
sad,
very sad
very
and
sad.
low because we wanted to stay more here, but unfortunately
We
had
couldn't.
we have to leave now. After reaching Mumbai, we will plan a trip soon, next trip soon. Let's
Yes.
see.
So stay with us. Now we are completing this vlog. So hope you guys show some love.
We
We
have
have started our YouTube journey right now. We just hope that
you
we
will
get.
we get some love. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.
Bye.